Are you spending hours staring at your Amazon sales dashboard or constantly refreshing your Amazon seller app? Are you suffering from the "I'm not getting any sales" disease? Let's talk about it. As usual, before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you leave me a comment or a question in the comment section below. If you want to learn a little bit more how you can work with the Amazon Seller Society and how we can help you launch your product on Amazon, make sure to head on over to our website and book a consultation call with our team. 5 main factors that affect why customers would click on your product. Some of those factors are completely not under your control, such as the Amazon badge, and some factors are 100% under your control, such as the main image. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. How can you improve your main image to get more customers to click on your product and hopefully end up buying? Your main image needs to do 3 main things. First of all, grab somebody's attention. Second of all, get people to understand or customers to understand exactly what your product is and hopefully also what it does. And number 3, get them curious enough to want to know more and to click and purchase your product. Imagine having to sell a yoga mat, which is already extremely competitive on Amazon. If you look at Amazon.com, let me know what jumps to your attention. Definitely, you'll see that most sellers are using the same exact image with the yoga mat rolled up to showcase how thick or how thin it is and to showcase that it actually comes with a strap. But 2 sellers stand out dramatically for me. First of all, this seller that instead of adding like different colors and stuff like that to their main image, look how interesting the main image is, whereby they have all of the different yoga mats piled up and they're still showcasing the strap that comes with the yoga mat. This is also a very intriguing and interesting main image because it shows that the yoga mat actually comes with 2 different faces, and it's also adding the image of the yoga mat right here showing the strap, which by the way can be easily done by all of these other sellers as well. One additional image is from Manduka, which is a very, very well-known brand that has opted not to have the yoga mat rolled up at all, but rather to have it look like, have a different style and setup. Is it because the yoga mat is very flexible? Is it because the yoga mat is very soft? It is very intriguing and it does grab your attention because the image is completely different than everybody else that's selling a similar product on Amazon. Strategy number 1 for your main image, label it. Yes, you can add a label that describes or focuses on some very important features for your product, such as these 2 brands of protein powder, Levels as well as Isopure. As you can see, Isopure decided to focus or add a label that focuses on the quantity of protein as well as on the flavor. So if a customer is focused a little bit more on protein and the quantity of protein or the flavor that they want to purchase, they will get it and get the information from the main image. If you're looking to purchase, let me know which one of those would you select. Strategy number 2, model strategy. Definitely, there are a lot of products that you can sell on Amazon or that you want to sell on Amazon that just don't simply make any sense unless you have a model explaining in the main image how the product is used. This is definitely a product that cannot be sold without a model. So as you can see, it just makes it so much easier to explain what the product is, how it's going to look like, so many different features of the product once you have modeling. So this would be my main image because it shows the product with a model and without a model, which I think is also something fair to do. And as you can see, they've used both a female and a male just to explain that the product can be used by both, and it showcases the product alone. But imagine being or having to sell the product without adding a human being into the main image. Definitely very tough to do. And it's so much easier to explain the functionality of the product and all its unique features by simply adding a model. And by the way, most of these images are actually digital images, so no models were actually used in the image itself. And strategy number 3, the multiple angles strategy, where you want to showcase the product from multiple angles on the main page, on the main image, or you also want to show different features and different angles of the product. Check this one out. Look at this example. If you're looking to purchase a chair, would you see it's the same exact chair, but the seller number A decided to add an image of the product folded. So if you were a customer looking to purchase the chair, which one would grab your attention, which one would give you more information, and which one would make you curious to know a little bit more? I would think it's product A. Now that we've talked about all of these strategies, if you still haven't listed your product, make sure that you follow these strategies, or if you've already listed your product and you're not getting any sales, go ahead, make a decision and see whether or not you can make some changes or revisions to your main image. Let me know in the comment section below, was this helpful, yes or no? I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.